time, attempt 2. The ingredients you're going to be needing is some PVA glue, some shaving foam, some laundry detergent containing sodium boric, and some lotion, and some food dye, and a measuring cup.
You're going to
And
need
some
mixing tools
and
and a bowl.
So, what you're going to do first, you're going to get your PVA glue, and you're going to pour, and you're going to pour in the whole bottle of PVA glue. It's better if you open the cap so that you can take it out more, and also take out the spoon.
Oh, that was a big blow.
Ooh, yeah, there's a lot of glue in here. Ooh, that's a lot of glue. And you can find all of these at your local supermarket or anywhere like a craft store. And we're just going to pour all the glue out, try to get every last drop. So we're just going to wait. Yep, I think we're done. Yep.
I have maybe I can use. So now we're going to put some food dye.
So
I'm going to make yellow.
And I'm going to make a nice purple. So Gabby's going to use a yellow. And I'm going to use a blue and red. So
I think you have to put some 3 drops of red and 1 drop of blue. And I have to just put some yellow.
Ooh, this is hard to. Oh, there.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to start
So
with 3.
we're going to get 3 drops of blue. Oh, God, that's a lot. And then 1
gonna
drop
mix it?
of red.
So now I'm going to start to mix mine.
Yep. Oh,
Mine's turning out so good, look.
ooh, that's a nice yellow.
It's turning orange.
So I'm gonna.
It's turning orange, but I wanted to make yellow. Maybe a little bit more yellow, yeah?
Ooh, this is making a really nice purple, really dark purple as well.
Or maybe they just put it in the wrong container because this is orange.
I'm gonna need another
Mine's
drop.
turning yellow now.
I'm gonna need another drop of red because this is turning out a little blue. Yep, this is a purple I like. And it's starting to get a really nice purple. So I'm just gonna mix everything in with the bowl.
If you see mine is here, it's yellow, but on my thing, since my cup is red, it's orange on here.
Yeah, but it's actually yellow.
Mix it hard, Bill.
Yep. We're gonna mix it really lots.
You gotta make sure it's fully mixed.
Yeah. So that we have a perfect color. So I think this is a perfect color for me.
I'm just gonna.
Yeah, that looks like the perfect color as well.
Yeah. So now we're gonna put some
shaving foam, so we have to shake. So I'm gonna put in some shaving foam first, and we're gonna just.
Stop.
Okay, not too much.
That's a lot. Oh, it's growing! It's growing! So I think I'm just gonna mix that.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Just a little.
No, that's too much.
That's way too much.
Now
Yep.
I'm gonna start mixing.
I'm gonna start mixing in the glue and the
I think I need a
shaving
little bit
foam.
more yellow.
Nope.
Mine's.
So as you can see, it's super duper fluffy. I think I put lots of shaving foam.
Me
So-
too.
How's it turning out?
It's turning out really fluffy. So after that, you're going to need about 4
That's
to
a
5.
nice yellow, Gab.
Yeah, and my one is a really nice,
And a nice purple, light purple, lilac.
Yeah, so we're gonna need about 4 pumps.
Maybe just 3 pumps.
Yeah, 3 pumps.
What's the lotion for? To make it more
To
stretchy.
make it more stretchy.
Yeah.
And make it more fun to play with.
Okay, just 3
So
pumps,
you're just gonna
Gab.
Mix that in. lotion really helps. As you can see, it's getting really, like, it's getting more loose. So that's what you really want. It's getting more
Let's have a look.
Mine's
fluffy.
turning out really good.
And it's got lots of air bubbles as well.
Mine's turning out so good. It's like
So after you
Make sure you clean the sides, Gabby.
Yep, after that, you're going to be needing 1 cup of laundry detergent. So we're just going to move everything out of the way.
Just keep mixing it first, isn't it?
Yeah. So now we have 1 cup of our laundry detergent. We're just going to pour in a really tiny bit, like only that much, because that's just a little bit.
so.
But it's
I'm gonna
mix
put
in.
some now. I think.
Ooh, it's coming together. It's actually sticking together. Ooh. So as you can see, it's like sticking to the bowl, which is good. So, because in the recipe, yep.
Mine's turning out so good. It's like real slime right now.
And then we'll just need a little bit more.
Go.
So as you can see right now, my slime is not even sticking to the bowl anymore. So I think I'm just gonna go in with my hands and have lots of fun with it. So like, yeah.
Another one.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, that's
so
turning out,
cool.
Gabby.
So
You just have to keep you have to keep mixing. Oh, look, yours is like a slime,
slime.
now.
It's actually slime, and like you can poke it.
Oh,
you
my
can just
stick
get
on
it.
the bowl. Oh my gosh.
Yay! It's a
yeah.
success.
That's a big, big success, and it's so stretchy.
Can I knead with my hands
So
now?
finally, our
Yum.
slime is working.
Do you think, Gabby, or do you want a little bit more detergent?
Maybe just a little bit more detergent.
I think a little
What
bit
do you
more.
think,
I think
Ate?
I need
Yeah,
a little bit more milk because it's kind of sticking to my hands.
Wait, then use the spoon again, Bella.
Yep. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so we just got a tiny bit more detergent.
Mine's
that,
already slime.
yeah, mine's already slime as well. I just used a tiny bit more detergent because I've been kneading it and it was just a tiny bit sticky. So now I'm going to take it off my spoon.
Can I start mixing with my hands
Sticking
now?
to my spoon, but it's still.
I'm gonna use my hands now.
Okay.
So it's okay if it's a little bit sticky right now.
Yeah, because
you
the
still
more
need to knead
the
it.
more you knead it, the more
more
it
it
will
gets-
gets put
yeah.
together.
And if you overactivate it, don't be worried, because you can just put some
Flour.
lotion.
And add some flour.
Yeah. but
If
we
it
don't
becomes
need
too
flour.
runny, you need to put a bit of flour.
I think I need
But-
more activator.
This is not runny. This is just right.
No, it's okay, Gabs.
So I'll
you want
give
a
you
bit more
some
activator?
ASMR.
Yeah.
Here's some ASMR.
Wow, yours is perfect.
Ready, as you can see. And this attempt was a big, good. Yes. So
Big epic.
Success.
yes, it's a success. And the only
You just
it's
have to
not
keep
really
kneading it,
sticking-
Gabby, so it starts separating from your fingers.
Yeah, and it's
But
not.
Ate's already done, see?
Yeah, and it's not sticking to my hands. It's just that my hands was already dirty.
I can't believe it. I made slime.
It's okay if it's still sticky. Like it's slime, but a good slime isn't.
So you can remove it from your fingers easily, Gabby, isn't it?
You remove it from your fingers easily. So, and mine is super awesome.
But yours is perfect. Gabby's, I think,
Is
we
a
might
little
need
bit
to help
runny.
Gabby with kneading it, but
Yeah, I'll help Gabby with kneading. And
So
thank you for watching. And this is our final turnout of our slime. And I'll give you some last ASMR.
So please comment, like, and subscribe.
wow, that is perfect.
So
Or
yeah,
you can subscribe, like, and share.
yes, please. Bye. Bye. See you later.
Because it's
Hope
your
you have
birthday.
a good day.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Bella. Happy 9th birthday, anak.